Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. In this video, I'm going to go over the most frequently asked question in the salon, and that is, how often should I be shampooing my hair? There isn't a set rule on how often you should be shampooing your hair because everyone's texture and densities are different. When clients ask me this, I usually analyze their texture and density first, and then I ask them how often they shampoo their hair already. So for people with naturally fine and smooth hair that dries soft and silky, I usually say every 2 to 3 days for shampooing. I say that because this is usually the texture that gets the oiliest the fastest, and you can tell because their hair is baby fine. And so if you have this texture and you find that you need to wash your hair every day, I'd say try and switch it to every other day, because by washing it this much, you have the potential of making the rest of your hair super dry and more prone to breakage and split ends. Another example is if your hair is medium to coarse and it dries a little bit frizzy and it feels drier to the touch. For this texture, I suggest 3 or more days, just because if you wash it too often, you're getting rid of those oils that are going to keep the moisture in. And if you are washing it every 3 days, I would suggest washing it twice. So that means doing one shampoo, a rinse, and then shampooing it again, just to get rid of any of the built-up oil or sebum that's left on your scalp, because sometimes one shampoo isn't enough. So if you are going from washing your hair every day to every 2 to 3 days, it's going to take some time. If you feel like the oiliness of your hair hasn't changed when switching from washing every day to every other day, that's normal. Because when you've washed your hair every day, your scalp is used to producing enough oil to compensate for that. It will take a while for your scalp to adjust. Thanks for tuning in to my second video. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe below. Next week, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to do a beach wave on short hair, and I'll be going over different types of dry shampoo.